Okay, we're going to demonstrate the Sievert propane soldering iron, closed flame, that has a large tip on it. You see the tip? He's going to dip it in flux to tin it. I'll dip it. It's about 50-50 mixture of ruby fluid and water. We're going to be using 50-50 solder, tin lead solder. This is a half-pound bar. He's fluxing with ruby fluid, pure ruby fluid. This is a simple lock joint. This is a lock joint here. Two pieces folded together, flattened down with a dead blow hammer. Then it's buffed with a wire wheel prior to fluxing. What we're seeing here is a Sievert propane soldering outfit. The flame is closed inside the head, so there's no open flame that will cause a fire. It has a constant heat, so it doesn't cool down when you're using it. You can solder long solder joints and only need one iron. You don't need to have two. When you're done with it, just set her down.